Today we're diving into the world of precision with the Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor, a versatile tool designed to elevate your creativity with its 40 psi high-pressure airbrush and non-clogging technology, perfect for painting, modeling, cake decoration, and more. This airbrush kit offers a remarkable 60% performance boost, thanks to its high-pressure spray flow and airflow reaching 8 to 10 liters, ensuring stable performance across various applications. With its 3-gear adjustable air pressure settings of 25, 30, and 40 psi, you can effortlessly achieve the desired effects on your artwork by simply touching the air compressor button. The dual-action design allows for precise fluid control and pigment volume regulation, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Whether you're a beginner or an art expert, mastering this airbrush kit is a breeze, making it ideal for airbrushing, miniature painting, model coloring, and more. The professional-grade, non-clogging spray gun comes with an adjustable tailstock, allowing you to fit it with the right needle for your specific painting needs, ensuring a smoother and more advanced airbrushing experience. So, if you're ready to take your creative projects to the next level, the Gocheer Airbrush Kit is your perfect companion.